I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and plan compatibility. Check that your Poco X7 Pro supports your carrier's 5G bands and that your plan includes 5G data. Once done, insert the active 5G SIM or enable the eSIM and make sure the phone has the latest MIUI and carrier settings. Updates can add essential network fixes. Restart the device after updates so the modem refreshes. Make sure airplane mode is off, and location services are allowed for network assistance when you proceed. Now you dive into the network configuration. Open Settings, go to SIM cards and mobile networks, and choose the SIM intended for 5G. Set preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G auto so the phone can use 5G when available, and enable data roaming only if your plan supports it. Next, verify the APN matches your carrier's values. Incorrect APN prevents data. If you see no 5G, reset the APN to defaults and toggle mobile data off and on to force re-registration. Finish by validating connectivity. Check the status bar or settings network info for the 5G icon and confirm signal strength. Run a speed test in different spots to ensure you're attached to a 5G cell and to find better coverage locations. If you still lack 5G, toggle the SIM off and on, perform a network settings reset, and restart the phone. These steps often clear provisioning glitches. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm your account is provisioned for 5G and that there are no local outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.